We have the argument, if it's a duck, it quacks, it's a turtle, or not a duck, and it's not a turtle. What conclusions can we draw? Well, the words and the ideas can get confusing, especially if the conclusion turns out to be something you wouldn't expect, because you're going to always be confused. You're always going to tend to want to conclude something that you know to be true, if you know something is true. Okay, so what we do is we symbolize the argument. And we symbolize an argument, and this is very important, by letting letters stand for simple statements. Now, if it's a duck, it quacks is not a simple statement. That's a compound statement. Okay? It's a compound statement. It's combining the statement, it's a duck, and it quacks. If it's a duck, it quacks. Two statements combined into one. So, how do we symbolize these? Well, the letters are completely arbitrary, and taking things kind of in the order they came in class, we're going to let P stand for it's a turtle. Now in class, actually, somebody chose to make that not P, which is not always a bad choice, because the last statement says it's not a turtle. That makes the last statement really simple. But then there's something up here that involves it being a turtle, and that would be the negative of a not statement, and that can get a little bit confusing, so that could be something you'd want to avoid. Okay, so P is going to be it's a turtle. Q, it quacks. Okay, that's another. And R, it's a duck. So now we have duck, quacks, turtle, duck, turtle. Not a turtle, but still involves the statement it's a turtle. So our statements become, if it's a duck, it quacks. That means if R, then Q. It's a turtle or not a duck. Okay, so that means it's a turtle or it's not a duck. P or not R. And then we have the statement that it's not a turtle, not P. Okay, to translate this, or to begin drawing conclusions, we don't have any conditional that ends with R, and we don't have any conditional that ends with not Q. So there's no way we can chain a conditional with this. What we can do is we can apply the idea of a disjunctive syllogism to these two statements. Okay? Now, this statement says something or something else. Okay? So, if this condition doesn't hold,